On January 30, 2026, one of the largest document releases in modern US history finally happened. More than 3 million pages of documents, over 2,000 videos, and nearly 180,000 images were made public. The US Department of Justice reviewed almost 6 million total records before releasing them. This massive disclosure happened under a new law called the Epstein Files Transparency Act, signed in November 2025. But there was already controversy. The government missed its original release deadline of December 19, 2025, raising questions even before the files became public. How many new crimes were discovered? The official answer shocked many people. 0 new criminal charges. Deputy Attorney General Todd Blanche stated that after reviewing all available evidence, investigators found no new prosecutable information. According to him, the files contained thousands of emails, photographs, and correspondence, some disturbing but not enough legal proof to bring new cases to court. The Department of Justice confirmed that its review is now complete, with only a small number of documents still waiting for judge approval. One of the most important discoveries was an unfinished draft indictment from the early 2000s. This document planned to charge Jeffrey Epstein and 3 unnamed assistants. The accusations included scheduling meetings with underage girls, arranging payments, recruiting minors for illegal sexual activity. The draft listed 60 criminal counts and mentioned 19 victims, some reportedly as young as 14 years old. But the indictment was never signed. Instead, prosecutors reached a controversial non-prosecution agreement in 2007, allowing Epstein to serve only 13 months in state prison on prostitution-related charges. Many powerful and famous individuals were mentioned in emails or contacts. These include Prince Andrew. Emails showed Epstein offering introductions and visits connected to royal locations. Elon Musk discussions referenced possible travel plans involving Epstein's island. Bill Gates' emails included claims later strongly denied by Gates' representatives. Howard Lutnick documents suggested meetings years after publicly claimed contact ended. Other names appearing in communications included Steve Bannon, Woody Allen, and Ehud Barak. Officials emphasized that being named in documents does not mean criminal involvement. The files also contained references to Donald Trump. An FBI tip list included unverified allegations reported through public calls. One woman claimed she was introduced to Trump at a party by Ghislaine Maxwell, but stated that nothing happened afterward. Authorities confirmed that Trump has never been charged or accused by law enforcement in Epstein-related crimes. Some entries were labeled as unverified or not credible. The only person convicted in connection with Epstein's trafficking operation remains Ghislaine Maxwell. She was found guilty of recruiting underage girls and is currently serving a 20-year prison sentence. Released deposition footage shows Maxwell repeatedly denying knowledge of recruitment activities. Even without new criminal charges, the files caused global political fallout. In Slovakia, a senior official resigned after evidence showed meetings with Epstein after his prison release. In the United Kingdom, Peter Mandelson stepped down from party roles following renewed scrutiny. Poland created a special investigative team to examine possible recruitment networks connected to Epstein between 2005 and 2018. The release also created anger among survivors and lawmakers. Critics claimed some victims' identities were accidentally revealed. Many coordinating individuals' names were heavily blacked out. 19 survivors released a joint statement saying the men responsible remain hidden. Meanwhile, Congressman Robert Garcia called the withholding of nearly half the files deeply concerning. The Department of Justice responded that redactions were necessary to protect victims, ongoing investigations, and sensitive legal material. After years of speculation, investigations, and public pressure, the largest Epstein document release in history produced no new criminal charges. But it exposed connections, raised unanswered questions, and reignited global debate about power, accountability, and justice. And for many people, the story still feels unfinished.